Is that a fish? Yes, a fish. Woo! Ah! Ah! I was so close. Dang it! It attacked the lure like 3 times, but didn't get hooked. That was a hungry cichlid. Ah. Too bad. Gotta keep trying. That makes it 3 bites and only 1 catch. There we go. Ah! That guy is wild. I tell you, like, he's so hungry. He wants it so badly. There we go again. Oh. I think it's because I speak. Maybe I should not speak. I'll be silent. Woo! Fish on! Finally! Look at that, Mr. Pike cichlid. All right. First fish of the day. It's Mr. Pike cichlid. Vittata species. Crenicichla vittata. Very healthy looking fish. Nice medium size. Actually very good size for here. And I hooked it right on the top lip. Quick picture and then a quick release. Please don't jump. Don't jump on me. I told you guys, like, all the shores around the city are just full of these pike cichlids. And we're still in winter, so the bite is not really hot at the moment, but we still can get a lot of them. Take a last look of it and go back. There you go, fishy. Nice. Finally got something. Took me a while. Let's see if we can get another one. This is bad, guys. This is really bad. I just stepped on a piece of wood with some rusty nails coming out of it. Oh, and I just dropped my Crocs now. Oh, that was painful. Luckily, fortunately, yeah, my foot is bleeding a bit. Actually made a little puncture on my foot. I just got some tetanus shots last year, so I should be okay, but that really hurt. That really hurts. Let's keep fishing. I'm gonna leave this thing here. I'm gonna throw in the trash later. Let's keep fishing for now because we just have a few more minutes of sunlight. After that, the bite is gone. Will probably be gone. Well, I got no bites so far anyway. More cast. One more cast and I'm done. Woo, fish on! Yes, finally! Mr. Pike cichlid. Ah, what a nice way to end the day. Like I was worried I wasn't going to catch anything today. But here we are with a little pike cichlid. Finally. Come here, you. Yeah. And a nice one too, like that's a good size. Definitely bigger than the average pike cichlid. Oh, look at that. Beautiful little fish. Looks very healthy. It's not as cold as I thought it will be. Ooh, all right, there you go. Woo! That was great. Another day, another fish. All right, guys. See you on the next session.